Trying to go from man to mansions, they been from the industry like Marilyn Manson. For being a G like I was a Mason. Got stolen bit foreign bit from Florida from the King. Got hoes like Michael Jackson, you could be my lover. It don't matter if he's stirring like in the blaze. Her pussy tastes like gun slush, you might be Jamaican. The pussy be talking Spanish slush, it could be mixed with Dominican. The bitch be blowing me up like 10. I'm making yams like Thanksgiving. Every nigga that try to scam me got put in the coffin. All I see is red man, get concerning. Getting a brand new guy like I'm a new student.